Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is SIDRA Chain Airdrop. I'm going to show you how to start mining this SIDRA Chain Airdrop. And if you have not started, there will be a link in the description of this video. Use that link to join. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the referral link that I will drop in the description of this video. Use that link. Once you click on it, your interface will show like this. So what you are going to do is you click on, you can see right here, click on join SIDRA chain. You're going to use your email. Put your email here, then you click on accept invitation. So right now I'm going to put my email, then I will continue. So once you put your email and I click on the accept invitation, your interface will be like this. You are asked to log in with KYC Spot. Click on login with KYC Spot. You are still going to put the same email. So this is the spot that will take you to this SIDRA chain. What you are going to do, you don't have an account yet. You are going to click on this register down here. You can see register. Tap on this register. Put your email address to create an account. You don't have an account already, so you have to create one. They said, check your email. We have sent an account registration link too. So you are going to check your email, but before then, click on return to home page. Here is the KYC port. We are going to register. From here, you complete your profile. You can upload your profile picture if you want. Then you can now see username, first name, last name, mobile, and your nationality. So I advise here, make sure that the first name and the last name is your real name, so that you will not have issue when the KYC is available. Because many people are having problem in Pi because of different names altogether. So make sure that your first name and your last name is your real name. Under the username, you can use anything, but the real name should be there. Then you put your mobile and your nationality. At this point, I'm going to do it, then we'll continue the video again. So once you fill in your profile, your details, it will authorize you to click on allow access. You have to allow access to use this particular KYC port. Now you click on allow access. So you are waiting for it to load. Now here is the SIDRA chain airdrop. Over here is now the interface. Here you can now see claim your ST. Claim the ST, that's the referral ST bonus that you got, which is 2. This is daily tokens. Every day you're coming back here 24 hours to claim another token. Can't you see? It's reading already. 24 hours you come back, you claim your token. So right here, if you want to refer people, here is your referral link. Click on that copy link. That is the referral link. Down here, you can now see apps. Explore SIDRA chain application. These are the application under this SIDRA chain. The first one is your wallet. This is a wallet. This is a Web3 project, and you can receive, you can send, you can swap, you can do everything here. So at your own leisure time, you can explore this SIDRA chain and know what to do. If you click on this down section, you can see wallet. Tap on the wallet. It's going to take you to the wallet. Here is the wallet. I've already said it, where you send or receive, swap, the liquidity, the SIDRA swap, and everything that you need to know about this. So over here you have over here is your assets. What you have here, the SIDRA digit asset, nothing is there right now. The SIDRA token, I have that one. The referral token, nothing is there now. So you click on swap. Still the same thing. Just this is just a wallet. Here you send. You are going to send out your SIDRA token to another exchange. So right here, this is what you are supposed to know about this SIDRA airdrop. If you click over to these three lines here, let's check what is there. Tap on it. So here, your profile, you can actually edit your profile. You can see your wallet. I don't want to open it to avoid exposing my details, and the KYC spot. So this is how you mine this SIDRA chain airdrop. Link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. And if you find value in this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.